Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad with noodles. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, 8 ounces of your favorite small pasta, and about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. You'll also want some fresh celery and onion for that perfect crunch. This simple recipe is quick to prepare and incredibly satisfying for any meal. Next, let's get cooking. Boil 8 ounces of your chosen pasta, like elbow macaroni, until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 7 to 9 minutes. Once cooked, drain the pasta completely in a colander and set it aside to cool slightly. While that cools, open 2 5-ounce cans of tuna and make sure to drain all the excess liquid thoroughly. Now for the fun part, combining everything. In a large mixing bowl, gently add your cooled pasta, the well-drained tuna, and your finely chopped celery and onion. Stir in about 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang. Finish by seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to your liking. Give everything a final gentle mix until all the ingredients are beautifully combined and the salad looks creamy. For the best flavor, cover your tuna noodle salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together perfectly. Serve chilled and enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.